So this is the pound yen analysis for Thursday, the 2nd of November. Now let's just have a look what happened on the 1st of November. So on the 1st of November, we were in and around we were consolidating around 51.25, and we were saying if we did see a break of the zone, we're targeting, I think it's 53. Let's just have a look what the level was that we were targeting above. Just gonna have a quick look. 52.85. We're targeting 52.85 to the upside. Now we didn't get up to 52.85. What we did do is we continued our upward momentum from there, but we did have a very strong candle, so it's likely a news catalyst. It's likely a news catalyst due to the size of the candle. Let's just see where it was. It was at 2 p.m. It opened at 2 p.m. today. Well, on the 1st. And it does appear to indicate there was a lot of selling momentum that came into the market. Ideally, I'd like to see selling momentum come in around major levels, but we are operating in the shadow of that candle. We haven't seen much follow through, so our overall bias on the pound yen is to the upside. So at present, we do have to be aware of this this strong bearish candle on the chart just here, but we do seem to have found some support because we have not had follow through down to the downside. Now, where are our targets? If we do see a breakdown of this level, again, we'll be looking at next weekly pivot in around 50.56 if this bearish candle does act as a reference point, below which we'll be looking at a very strong level in around 49.78. We also have the 200 period moving average just there as well. We'll see if prices react to the 200 period average or this psychological level in around this 150, and we've got our major level at 149.78. Now to the downside, beyond that, we were looking at all the way down to this 149. We have found support at 149 just there. We've also got a 400 period moving average as well. Now, we are expecting a rate rise by the UK, so if we do see some hawkishness by the Bank of England, we do expect prices to go all the way up to 52.85. But we would expect prices to extend beyond that, beyond 52.85. The very next level is at 54.72. We wouldn't anticipate 54.72 coming into a focus, but we may get beyond 52.85 and head towards 52.85 and head towards 54.72 by the end of the week. However, if we do get a bearish rate rise, we could potentially see prices extend beyond 49.78, and 48.46 will likely come into focus for a bounce in prices. So that should pretty much cover all levels we're looking at. Again, we're consolidating around a weekly pivot at 51.25 at the moment. So we'll see if prices do break down from, say, 52.85 and we do get a bounce of 51.25, or if we break down further to 50.56. Now, if we're just going to have a look at the weekly time frame before we wrap the analysis here on the pound against the Japanese yen. On a weekly time frame, we can clearly see we're in an uptrend, and so far this week we are trading in a very strong bullish territory. We're trading out the candles highs, and we've pretty much negated last week's bearish candle. We've not had follow through of the selling, and we do look poised to test the most recent swing highs in around 52.85, beyond which the very next level is already up at we've already mentioned it at 54.72. Now we're just going to have a look at the daily time frame, and here on the daily time frame we can see we've had a bit of a pullback, and we have not revisited these lows here. We've not revisited these lows either. We've seemed to have put in a series of higher lows. We found support of the dynamic level of the 20 period moving average just there, and we've had follow through since. We've had 3 consecutive bullish days. The 1st of November, which is yesterday's candle, we did see some selling momentum come in around that 52 level, so we have to be cautious of that, but we do expect to see follow through all the way up to 52.85. So that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.